company once more. It's the same packaging as last time, I believe. So when I open this bag, I see the wig. I also got a wig cap, an edge brush and comb, a Ali Pearl like headband, like a scarf thing that you can wrap around your edges, a extra elastic band, perfect for melting your lace front hairline. And that's it for everything that came in the package. This is the wig we're working with today, guys. Now the wig, they said this is 24 inches, but honestly, this looks like 26. How is this 24? I honestly think this is like a 26. And I love it. Color job is beautiful. If you like a more muted type of highlighted vibe, this is it. More like a brown highlight. This is it. Lovely straight texture. It's not coarse. It's nice and silky. It's full to the tip of the hair. I love that. Shedding, I'm not getting any right now. This is also a 13x4 lace front wig. A 13x4, and it's 180% in density. Now with the length, I'm feeling a little bit of weight, and I mean that's expected. Okay, now this is not pre-bleached, pre-tinted, pre-nothing. Okay, so you want to be sure to go in and do that if you wish, or you can go the quick route of using a little foundation or concealer or even powder. Now inside has 3 combs and adjustable strap in the back. It is free part. It did come pre-plucked. That's how the hairline looks. It doesn't look bad at all. I am so excited to go ahead and install this. It looks so good. It looks so good, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section right away. It looked good. 24 inches where? Like, let me show you the bag. Like, because I'm not joking. Like, can you see it? It says 24 inches right here. I think that was a mistake. And it's even nicely layered. You know, this is so pretty. So, yeah, I'm so excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and jump into putting it on right now. I'm actually using glue to install this wig today, guys. So, I'm excited. I'm just, like, amazed at the quality of this so far. It's nice and thick and silky, and it's looking much longer than what, you know, it says. So I mean, that's a good thing. It's always a good thing. Forget the cabrata. Alright guys, so as I said before, I'm doing a glue install with this wig today. I actually did 3 layers of it, but I only got to show like 2 on camera. And you guys know it's the usual. I apply like a thin layer. I use my rat tail comb for the most part, and I kind of just smear it out to where it's like not as bulky, so that it will dry down quicker. And you want to ensure that you never layer lace when it's actually white. You wait until it's clear like hair and tacky. But as I said, I apply 3 layers and then I go back in, and you never want to apply a next layer without it being clear. That way you're just going to create a big messy buildup, and it's going to be like bubbly, and it's not going to be a flawless installation. So you want to ensure that you do this when you have enough time and, you know, patience to, you know, get the install done properly. So after I was done with that, I pretty much, you know, lay my lace down, and I do this in halves because it's more convenient for me. You know, if you want to lay it from the middle first and then the sides, it's all up to you to discover your method that works best for you. But this is what I do, you know. I use my blow dryer on cool air to get it laid really nicely, and this usually takes me like, you know, a couple minutes. And then after that, I actually proceeded to cut off the extra lace. So I kind of, I burnt myself a little bit with it. You want to be careful with this hot comb, guys. It's so hot, like it's really no joke. Like I've burnt myself too many times. It never gets old. So really and truly, you need to be very careful when using these tools. So I just wanted the front ear to be flatter and stuff. So I used my hot comb, as you saw, and then I'm going over that, and I'm just melting down the front there more with my elastic band. You know, it's always good to have a handy dandy elastic band to just really help to melt that lace and get it as flat as possible. I did my swoops, you know how that is. I did light swoops. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I was in the vibe to do that today, and I did a center part. And so I'm just laying that so it's really nice and flat. Again, I must say I really love the way the hair is just, you know, molding to what I wanted. It wasn't hard to lay with my hot comb or anything, you know, so that is a plus for me. It did have some flyaways, I must say. After installing it and stuff, I realized more and more while dealing with it that, you know, there's a little bit more flyaways than I would like. So yeah, just to let you know that again, the shedding really wasn't a lot even after cutting away the sides there. That's before I installed it with the glue and stuff, so that's a good thing. I made the middle part here more visible, and I used my color spray to kind of make it straighter. So yeah, yeah.
Cause we be on a top floor, oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling.
Through with this, with straightening the hair, guys. Look at that lusciousness. It looks so good. You know, Ali Pearl is always one of those companies with good, that gives good long, like, hair lengths. Like, I remember just always getting longer wigs from them. I must say it feels really nice and silky. You know, the luster is nice, the movement is nice. It's very full to the tip, as you can see, and the length is a plus. Now it's summertime, so feel free to go ahead and play around with this. Do some half up, half down, you know, do some, like, you know, try to explore different styles. I know some girls love, no matter what time of year it is, they love their length to their wigs. I think this is gorgeous. The color job is nice and muted, and it looks really good. So shout out to Holly Pearl here. But this gorgeous wig, so you have to be standing up so you guys can see the full length. So I'm gonna be sure to put the information on this in my description box, as well as the direct link, so go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Highly appreciated, and I'll see you guys.